Hello friends, good afternoon. My name is Dr. S. R. Sivarasu, Professor, Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. Now we are going to explain the second video session on real-time measurement of power quality. Yesterday we recorded the real-time power quality events in our power house using the Fluke 434 series 2 power quality analyzer. Now I am connecting the analyzer to my laptop. A separate dedicated software, PowerLog 434 series 2 is available. Now I am opening this software to download the data stored in the instrument. Select the instrument and start downloading. It will take some time. Let's start. Now it shows the main menu in which measurement, screen and task is available. 7 screens we already stored. The screen number 1. When you click the screen number 1, it will show the preview of the screen number 1. For clicking the check all the 7 screens can be able to download. Now it starts downloading the screens which is already saved in the meter. From screen number 1 to 7, starting from voltage, current to power and energy. Now all the screens are downloaded. Here all the screen numbers are shown, and similarly we can able to view the second and third respective screens. Second screen indicates the voltage harmonic. Third screen dedicated to current harmonic. Fourth screen is power energy. Fifth screen is voltage waveform. Sixth screen is current waveform. Seventh is voltage and current vector. After downloading the screen, now I am going to download the measurement. The measurement, only one measurement we take. The time duration for the measurement is also shown here. Approximately 5 minutes we recorded. Now I am going to download the data. It will take some amount of time. Depends on the how much amount of memory it occupied. Now the measurement are downloaded. Here several menus are available. By default it shows the voltage and current of all the phases. Now the top one indicates the line current of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and line voltages of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Here we can see the maximum, average and minimum values. By clicking this right button, we can view what is the maximum value of the respective variables, and their minimum values of the respective variables also can be able to see. Now for report purpose, we can edit the number of variables which a person wants. Now only the voltage and the voltage only shown, the maximum and minimum value, and similar way we can able to show the current by deleting the voltage. The maximum current in R phase, Y phase, B phase and the minimum current, the neutral current also shown here. The second menu is power and energy. In power and energy, we can able to see active power, reactive power, apparent power, power factor and all the other parameters. Now only active power is shown here. If I want to see the reactive power, then I can change to reactive power, or I can combinedly view active and reactive power. Similarly, the power factor I can able to see. It shows supply power factor for R phase, Y phase, B phase and the cumulative power factor. The main important power quality event is harmonics. The harmonic for voltage as well as current is shown. The current harmonic is the main important factor, causing inconvenience to the supply system. So starting from the total THT value to the 1, 3, 5, 7, even 9, 11 and other harmonic values are shown. We can able to see what is the maximum and minimum value by using this cursor, and there is one more provision is given in this is cursor movement. So we can move the cursor movement and we can able to see what is the maximum and average and minimum value on the power quality harmonic spectrum. Similarly, the frequency and voltage unbalance also able to see. The main advantage of the measurement is measurement can be able to modify or reconfigured based on the consumer, whereas screen cannot able to modify, only we can view it. Now based on these informations, we can download and we can convert these figures into a respective Word file, and we can make a solid report for a given measurement. Now I request the viewers, please go to our sorry, off பண்ணுங்க சார், சரியா வரல. Thank you for watching our session. I request the viewers, please put your comments in the respective sorry. Thank you for watching the video. I request the viewers to please put your comments on the given website. Thank you.